Hey guys, so I'm so excited to be talking about this because Queen Weave Beauty, you guys know that it's my #1 top favorite AliExpress hair company. I've been wearing them for years. I've worn every single texture they have on their site many times over, and I remember I think it was sometime last year, they were like trying to test out if they should bring a new texture. Italian Yaki, like a light Yaki texture, because they do have a kinky straight, but it's not the same thing as like a light Yaki. So I was like, definitely please do that, that would be perfect. So I think they took some time to develop it, because I saw them, because they're really active on Instagram, so I saw them posting like test batches of hair. So finally they have it out, got my hands on it because I was like, I better get that. And this is it, the Italian Yaki. So it's a straight texture with some kinkiness to it. You can kind of see the kinkiness in there. It's very smooth, very natural. So it's like if you have natural hair and you straightened it, like got it silk pressed or something, or if you have relaxed texture, it's like a relaxed texture look. So I'm gonna put this on, and it's a lace front, and I'll put the specs of the hair on the screen, but it's a lace frontal, and their lace frontals from Queen Weave are impeccable. They're so good, easy to blend, easy to deal with if you're like me. Frontals for dummies 101, like that's me. So I'm gonna put this on and show you guys how it looks. I'm so excited. And then obviously I have my Queen's Wigs elastic band on here. It's adjustable and it comes off like this, so you can make it tight or you can make it loose with the strap here. I get this on Etsy, so I'll link it down below. Alright, so here's the hair on. It's a lace frontal, so the way I installed it and, you know, brought out the baby hairs is the way I've done my other units with frontal, so you can check that out. I have a couple of videos on how I usually do that, but it's the same way I did. The gels that I use are first I put the Fantasia Icy Styling Gel, and on top of that I have the Touchdown Edge Tamer. Love this stuff. So I just put that and then I brush it down with my brush, and then we're good to go. So I'm loving this texture, the new light Yaki texture from Queen Weave Beauty. And the longest length is 22 inches. See how far it comes down? Love it. Oh my gosh, it's so long. Oh my gosh. It comes down to like right here. This is long. I didn't even know it was that long. Oh my goodness. Jeez. Jeez, that's long. So you get a lot of hair. 22 inches usually isn't that long on me, but that's good. You get a lot of length with this hair. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. I have to curl this hair next time. I'm gonna come back and do a video and then I'll curl it. See how it looks. Ooh. I love this hair. This is like the best everyday go-to staple hair. Anything kinky, I'm here. Kinky curly, kinky straight, I'm right here. Oh, Queen Weave did a good job with this. They did a good job. Queen Weave did a good job. Good job with this hair. Awesome. So that was easy. The closure or the frontal is really good. The color is nice. So the parting, I didn't bleach the frontal or put any makeup or anything like that. All I did was make my own part, and then I kind of just ripped out some of the hairs along the line so it can open up a little bit more, and that was it. And then brought out on the edge of the frontal, brought out baby hairs, cut it so it's nice and short, gelled it down, done. So it didn't even take me any long to do anything. Put my elastic band on nice and tight so it can lay down, and that's it. I love this hair. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I'm ready for the day. I'm about to go out with Chris so we can go to the mall and get wedding stuff together. Wedding time is counting down. Even, you know what, my wedding hair, I haven't even done it yet. Like, I don't know what's going on. I don't even know why it's so hard for me to figure out like what I want my hair to look like for the wedding. So I don't know, we'll see. We will see. Anyways, let me stop playing with the hair. But I love this hair. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next video.
Let's just be real.